Hi, I'm Shyngys. Recently, when I received my first crypto, I discovered about smart contracts, about NFT, and I'm fascinated about it. I have my own YouTube channel, and through this course, I want to learn how I can engage with my audience, how I can uh, how I can improve my storytelling so the audience will not feel boring. Also, I think this course is a great opportunity for my future projects, like my own custom crypto that will fix current uh, uh, flows of Bitcoin, of Ethereum, and I don't want my project to leave unnoticeable to the audience. Just like other altcoins, like thousands of ICOs, I want my project to be on the top in the future, and I'm going to improve my skills a lot.